we judges don't chop. They don't use plates, take heat spoon. They don't drink water, they don't keep cup for ground. Now you don't reach that time where they go tell us who be the winner for this plantain battle. Here we get plantain and
African concassé.
Plantain and African concassé. And we get this one. Which one you cook for us?
Plantain porridge.
Plantain porridge. Yeah. Make we go over to our judges. Make them tell us the one person will win this one. And like you know what's in I talked before, I said we go judge them by the time we then take cook them and the style of the presentation, and again how it tastes for mouth. Make we go meet with judges. We judges them how on a feel say this one be.
Oh, wow.
The competition tight well.
All right.
This kind of thing, they good make one person mess up, you know, so that you go just say this person win, this person no win. But the competition tight. For my own judgment, I go say Team Red.
Okay.
For presentation, I go give them 7.
Okay, you go give them 7 for presentation.
Yes, for presentation.
Okay.
Then for taste, I go also give them 7 because everything work together well and it tastes well.
Okay.
Then for creativity, I go give them 9. Because you see that plantain when you cook with the skin, that it makes sense. Well.
It doesn't make me they lick my mouth.
So yes, so for that one, I go give them that very high mark for that creativity and that thing we do. And waiting to teach our people them for house.
Okay. So in total, you give them
everything will come be 23.
Okay. All right. Our Team Red don't carry 23 for his own. Make we know whether not the concussion on na him go win. All right, for the concussion on, what you go give her?
I don't know why they call am concussion. Because this porridge, now the kind of porridge where they say bring us up. Now this one I we know.
Okay.
As porridge.
Okay.
And I go say Team Black. The way she take cut am small. It makes sense. So it be waiting with they call mouthful.
Okay.
So you go feel easily just carry am, put am for mouth easily, and it go make you enjoy the thing well.
All right. For presentation.
For presentation, I go say, oh well, I go give her 6.
Okay.
Because I for like expect some other things. Maybe for like, you know, just make her look fine one kind, you know. So I go give her 6 for presentation.
Okay.
But for taste, I go give her 8.
She don't enter.
Yes, because the way she make this, her spices them, all of them work well.
Okay.
If you want almost the
pepper.
The chili, if you want too much, the pepper, but it can't make the thing balance.
Okay.
Can't make you know, say plantain they sweet.
Yes.
So it can't balance the sweetness.
All right.
Can't make them good. So I go give them 8.
All right.
For taste.
Okay.
Then for creativity. This not the normal thing where we know.
Okay. Nothing different from the
nothing really they too different from waiting we know, but she still try do one well, and she still make sure say, you know, the fish, the ugu, the leaf, the vegetable no overcook.
Okay.
So I go still give them 6.
All right.
For that one.
In total, she win waiting.
In total, that one go come be 20.
They say waiting woman feed you, man self feed one. And when he carry him muscle enter kitchen, he say by the grace of God. If you believe in God, believe in your stomach, and believe in waiting your hand go do for you. That's why on top of Chop Chop, I tell you, everybody now winner. Nobody say she no win, Team Black. But I tell you, for this one, that's Team Red 9 carry am. Thank you so much, my people. On top of Chop Chop for Wazobia TV. On top of Start Time, every Saturday, make you no change your that, because now here, now we for them make this one they happen for you. I know say you said done the house, you don't learn 1 or 2 things, you go still try them. When you try them and you won't give us report, follow us on top Twitter, make we do them together. Make you put them at Chop Chop for Twitter. Make you follow him, because me self go follow you back. Make we do them as it's supposed to be. Till next time again when we come your way. Now every Saturday now we do this one. Make you follow us, join us for the conversation. And if you want to follow us on top Instagram, make you go there at Chop Chop. You go see all the colorful food what we go display for you. Thank you so much, because Nahim be our winner on top of Chop Chop today. Thank you, my brother.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We hope say your ministry go move further.
By grace of Almighty.
Amen. All right, my people. Now here we for take a round them up. hungry don dey catch me make we cut am make me sef go enjoy myself. See you next time.